Welcome, outdoor enthusiasts. Today, we're tackling a crucial skill for any camper or hiker. Proper tent tension is vital, especially when facing unpredictable weather conditions. A well-secured tent ensures your shelter remains stable and dry, protecting you from the elements. Today, we'll master the Taut-Line hitch, an essential knot for adjusting tent tension with ease. This knot allows for quick adjustments, ensuring your tent stays perfectly pitched, come rain or wind. Let's dive in and learn how to secure your shelter like a pro. First, let's look at our essential tools: a durable reflective guy line and a robust tent stake. The reflective material is key for visibility in low light conditions. Now, we'll secure the guy line to the tent stake. This is our anchor point. Make sure the stake is firmly in the ground, providing a stable base for your tent. Take the working end of the guy line and pass it around the top of the tent stake. Then, bring it back over itself, creating a simple loop around the stake. Ensure this initial wrap is tight and secure. It forms the foundation of our knot. Now let's move on to the Taut-Line hitch itself, the adjustable sliding loop. Take the working end of the rope and make 2 wraps around the standing part of the line. These wraps should be inside the loop you're forming, towards the tent stake. Pull them tight to create a firm grip on the standing line. Now, make a 3rd wrap, but this time outside the first 2, away from the stake. This 3rd wrap is crucial for the knot's ability to slide and hold tension. Pass the working end through the loop created by the 3rd wrap. Pull it through and you'll see the knot begin to take its final shape. Ensure all wraps are neat and snug. A messy knot can slip under pressure. Now, let's test its adjustability. This is where the magic happens. To tighten the line, simply slide the knot away from the tent stake. You'll feel the tension increase as the tent fabric becomes taut. To loosen, slide the knot towards the stake. It's that simple. Check for optimal tension by gently plucking the guy line. It should feel firm, not rigid. Too loose, and your tent will flap in the wind. Too tight, and you risk damaging the fabric. And there you have it. A perfectly tensioned guy line using the Taut-Line hitch. Remember to regularly check your tent's tension, especially after heavy rain or strong winds. A common mistake is not making enough wraps, which can cause the knot to slip. Practice this skill, and you'll be confident in any outdoor adventure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more outdoor tips and tutorials. Stay safe, stay dry, and happy camping.